Welcome back to ZeroDiabetes Zone, your go-to channel for everything diabetes-friendly. Winter is here, and while it's tempting to hibernate indoors with warm drinks and blankets, staying active during the colder months is crucial for managing diabetes. In today's video, I'll share practical tips and fun ideas to keep you moving, even when the weather outside is frightful. First, let's talk about why staying active is especially important in winter. Cold weather can lead to reduced physical activity, but regular exercise helps stabilize blood sugar levels, boosts immunity, and keeps those winter blues away. Plus, staying active can help counteract those extra holiday treats. So, let's dive into some easy and effective ways to stay active. Number 1. Embrace indoor workouts. Don't let the cold stop you. Set up a cozy workout space at home. Try yoga or Pilates for flexibility and stress relief. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. Online workout videos tailored for all fitness levels. Number 2. Bundle up and head outdoors. Fresh air is invigorating, even in winter. Layer up with moisture-wicking clothes, wear sturdy shoes, and take a brisk walk. Aim for midday walks to enjoy some sunshine and boost your vitamin D levels. Number 3. Try fun winter activities. Why not turn exercise into a fun winter adventure? Activities like sledding, snowshoeing, or even a friendly snowball fight can get your heart rate up while bringing joy to your day. Number 4. Use indoor facilities. If you're not a fan of the cold, consider joining a local gym or community center. Many have walking tracks, swimming pools, or fitness classes. Number 5. Stay active during daily tasks. Turn daily chores into mini workouts. Cleaning, organizing, or even dancing, while cooking, can keep you moving without feeling like exercise. Here are a few tips to stay on track. Number 1. Set small, realistic goals. Number 2. Find a workout buddy for accountability. Number 3. Track your activity with a fitness app or journal. Number 4. Reward yourself with non-food treats like a cozy blanket or a good book. Final thoughts: staying active in winter doesn't have to be a chore. With these tips, you can keep moving, manage your diabetes, and feel great all season long. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to ZeroDiabetes Zone, and share your favorite winter activities in the comments below. See you next time, and stay warm.